Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Rebecca, Stu and the Crew. I'm Rebecca and I'm so happy to have you guys here today. Today we're going to see what's new and what's been restocked at your local Dollar Tree. This is for Friday, March the 8th, 2024. So let's go shopping and see what is new. We'll start with the apparel and accessories first. They have these new Juncture brand reusable tote bags. The yellow one says choose happiness. The light pink says start every day with a smile. The dark pink and yellow is enjoy the little things. And then the soft baby blue with butterflies says make today amazing. They also have these adult hats that they have out each spring. They have different color satin ribbons, though all the hats are the same color, like a light tan. They have the floral print, some leopard print, and the black and white polka dot pattern. Then we have some Space Jam socks, a new legacy. Fit shoe sizes 6 to 12. It's a crew style sock. You get the one pair with Marvin the Martian on it, and the other pair has Marvin the Martian and Daffy Duck. So you get two pair for $1.25. These Fruit Ninja socks fit shoe sizes 6 to 13. You actually get 3 pair of the socks in this pack. They're nice and thick ankle socks, and they all have the Fruit Ninja pattern or design in some form or another on each pair. There's also the Star Wars Mandalorian socks, fit shoe size 6.5 to 12. You get Boba Fett and the Mandalorian icon. Then we've got in the arts and crafts some restock items like these iron-on transfers. This one says nope. It's in the soft glitter pastel colors. We have the melting smiley face, hope with the 2 stars at the top, the word wow kind of like in a thought bubble, and then we've got the rainbow unicorn with a star at the top, and those are all the pastel colors. Then in the primary colors, we have the iron-on transfer with the unicorn, rainbow, and heart. There's also the magic wand star cutout, and then the Prince Frog here with his little crown on. We've got some Crafter Square wood stickers. This is a 10-piece set. There's also the 9-piece with the coffee cups. The arrows, you get 5. These are very similar, if not identical, to the ones that Hobby Lobby sells, just with a different backing that says Crafter Square. Also, I found the rub-on transfers. These were new. I only found 2 different sheets. I'm sure there's at least 4 in this set, but so far I've only found these 2 with like the ferns and then the roses. The roses are absolutely gorgeous. I picked up the last 2 sheets that they had, so if you see these, they're probably going pretty quickly since I was only able to find 2 and only 1 or 2 of the other one that I showed there. The baby and toddler aisle, we've got the 3 pair of ankle boy socks by Gildan. Fit shoe size 6 to 9.5. It's a nice thick sock. You get 1 white and 2 with different color like heels. And then we've got the Juncture socks for toddlers with the rainbow. It's like a really soft pastel rainbow pattern, or you get the second pair of sock has like rainbows and unicorns on them. They're really cute. They had quite a few pair of those out. We've got their sandals with the strap is adjustable across the back. A couple different designs. There's the tie-dye, the dinosaurs, and the sharks. And then for the health and beauty, we'll start with the cosmetic items first this week. So all I found were a bunch of these makeup brush holders that say lips, eyes, and face. They actually had these out last year around this time in the same colors. You could either get them in the black or in the pink. They're really nice. They'd make a great basket filler for an older kid or a teen. Then we've got a bunch of the Sally Hansen nail polish. There's the Nail Mega Strength nail color and a bunch of different colors. They also had a bunch of the Insta-Dry Prismatic color and the gel polish. So there's a whole bunch of them. I just am showing a few here. We've got the Diamond Cosmetic Puff in a heart shape. There's also the Diamond Cosmetic Heart sponges in a 2-pack or a 4-pack. And those have been out since Valentine's Day, but they just restocked them. For the hair care items, we've got these new scrunchies. This is a 2-pack of the furry scrunchies. They're a little bit thinner than the ones that they sell in the single pack. They had the soft rose pink, kind of peachy pink color, and then the white in the 2-pack. We've also got these new hair clips. They're like little tiny claw clips. There are 6 hearts. You get 2 pink, 1 blue, and 3 yellow. They have the stars. There's 3 green, 2 purple, and 2 orange. Then we've got the bobby pins with the gummy bears at the side. They're like a resin gummy bear. They're actually really cute. They look just like a miniature gummy bear. And you've got the blue, yellow, and then the mixture of like purple and blue ombre. Here's a view from the side so you can see how well made they are. So a couple of new hair items there. Then on these floral backing cards, you've got the barrettes with the gold butterflies. They also have the 3-pack of the bobby pins with the gold butterfly charms on the end, or you can get the 4-pack of the flower bobby pins. Now the bobby pins themselves are gold, and then they've got these resin flowers with a little bit of glitter in it on the end. And these are so pretty. You've got the light blue, a peach, a soft yellow, and a really pretty soft white with the glitter. For the pharmacy and personal care items, we have these bath bombs by Bath Treasures. It's a large heart-shaped bath bomb. It's 5.25 ounces in the cherry blossom scent. Here's what it looks like in full. We've also got the bath bombs rose scent, and you get 3 of those. Over in the Fun Finds, they had these packs of 35 temporary tattoos. We've got the kawaii style with the unicorns. There's also like the spaceships and aliens, and then kind of like a 90s vibe. They also have some of the summer sharks, suns, and waves, things like that. There's a heart-shaped pan, and then these bags that are reusable. Obviously, they have the zipper at the top. They had beach please, summer vibes, good vibes only, and wake up makeup. So there's pink and black. They all have a different design on the front. They come with a zipper that goes all the way across the top and a handle. And these would be great for traveling or using in a bag when you go to the beach or something to put like a wet swimsuit in, and other items. Over in the home decor, we've got the glass bottles, which I showed you guys on Tuesday. I found these at a few more stores this week, and they come in the purple, blue, yellow, and white. And then they also had these glass jars. I thought these were so pretty with the decorative design on the sides. We have these large crosses that say bless our home with happiness and love. Those are the white ones. The blue ones say faith is the substance of things hoped for, evidence of things not seen. The rose gray color is hope. May the God of hope fill you with all joy and peace. And love bears all things, hope all things, endures all things. Love never ends in the pink. So that's the gray one there. Just a close-up so you guys could see how large they are. Then they had these new large hanging signs that say blessed. Blessed and faith right here is in a 3D, and they are well over a foot long. They're quite large, really nice. They also had this bumblebee sign, which I just love with the thick frame. And they had some new magnets. Also with the bumblebee theme, we have be happy, welcome to our hive, and be kind. And now for the home library, office supplies, and teaching tree section. They had some more of these document boxes in green, yellow, and red. They are a really nice large box. They have a clip on this side so they completely close, and you can hold quite a few documents in here or some of the legal size notepads. They're really nice. Then they have some new cookbooks. They have dips and spreads, recipes for easy and elegant entertaining. Has all the different recipes with pictures and easy to follow instructions. There's soups and stews. Then we have saute sizzle. There's also Delish Divine. And now for the housewares, home maintenance, storage, and organization. They had these new signs that say 24-hour video surveillance, no trespassing, and no trespassing. These are like an aluminum sign, and they're about the size of a license plate. That helps you visualize the size. They also had the fake security cameras back in, and the black and white, the LED light bulbs, and the clear and frosted, which is the 40-watt bulbs. Those are all restocked this week. And they also had their carpet tiles restocked. So these are an adhesive carpet tile. They come in this light tan color. They also have it in gray and in black. And they're about a 12 by 12 carpet square. We have the Scent Essentials Calm Essential Oil Blend in lavender. It's like a sachet pack. You could put it in your car and your dresser drawer. just about anywhere. For the kitchen and pantry, they brought back the Home Sweet Home dish set with the soft pink and blue flowers. They also have the bowls. And then to coordinate, they've got like a sage green coffee cup and salad plate. To coordinate with those, they also have the towel sets. They had the drying mat, an oven mitt, and the hot pad holders. And the hot pad holders are a 2-pack. I found some more of these lemon bowls with the snap-on lids. And these are similar to the ones with the tulips that I've seen over the last few weeks, also with the lids. And now they have the Sure Fresh reusable bags, and those match the tulip bowl. And I'm hoping soon they'll have out the lemon one. Then I found these home dish drying mats. They match the oven mitts that I found around Christmas time. So I was excited to pick these up. I got the oven mitts for my kids for Christmas, and now I'll put these in their Easter basket. So I was excited for those for my grown children. Now over in the party supplies, this week we have the Have a Magical Day game. It's like pin the unicorn horn on a unicorn. It's got the mask and everything. Then we've got these magic wands, the princess wands. They have the rainbow table mat. They had some party plates that say let's roll, and you get 18 of those with the roller skate. They have the It's My Birthday pin in blue and in pink. It has like sequins and it's hot. So if you shake that little bubble part around, you can see the sequins move. And there's a pin on the back. And now for the seasonal items, we have these window clings, which I just love with the gnomes for Easter. They say like, gnome, matter what, be happy. And then we have these large signs that say hope, faith, and love. They have different like Easter eggs and floral at the top and the bottom. A little bit of an aged, weathered look with the chipping paint look from the background. There's some with the Easter bunny. We have some DIY craft kits like these Easter eggs, the Happy Easter wreath. They come with the markers. They also have the bunny. Those are in a 2-pack. Then we've got these silicone bunny shaped heads for baking. The bath bombs for spring, they're egg shape. They have like sugar cookie scent in pink and in blue. They also have these miniature ornaments for the small trees. There's the gnomes with the Easter bunny ears. They also have the 4-pack of the Easter eggs. And then the 4-pack of the bunnies, 2 pink and 2 blue. They have these frosted looking Easter eggs also for the trees, and then the 45-piece mini wood cutout pieces with the different flowers, leaves, mushrooms, the 10-pack of the wooden eggs. There's also the DIY bunnies that need to be painted. And then these little guys all play music. Here's the duck. So cute. So they have a whole box of those with all the different bunnies and chicks. Then we've got these 35 glow-in-the-dark temporary tattoos for St. Patrick's Day. Here's all the different tattoos. They have like the green truck. They have pots of gold, hats. There's some hearts, rainbows. Now for the toys, games, and puzzles, we've got these light up jump ropes. They come with a glitter jump rope in blue, pink, and yellow. And then we've got the skip ankle skipper with the ball on the end. Those are in green, yellow, and red. Those also light up. We have some new puzzles. There's the 500-piece Disney puzzles. There's Ariel. And then we have Mickey and Minnie Mouse in the canoe and the Disney villains. We've also got Gabby's Dollhouse. It's a path game. Has all the pieces and directions inside. There's also a Paw Patrol Path game. And the Dollar Tree Plus items, which are $3 and $5. For $5, we have these new sandals with the rhinestones across the straps at the top. There's a couple different sizes there. We have the 6-pack of Ted Lasso socks. There's the Last Airbender. And then the Hasbro Gaming. We also have Nickelodeon, Spider-Man, and then the Hasbro Games, and Friends. And these are the same socks they sell at Walmart for $10. Now we've got the solar-powered lanterns, which are so pretty. You do need to put a AA battery in them, but once you do, they're run by solar power. This Happy Easter tray that you can DIY. And that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And here are some other videos from our channel you might also enjoy. I hope you all have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you back here on Tuesday.